Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create a business e-commerce image using Smart Sharpen in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a product image for a business store. I pause because online buyers trust what they can see clearly. I duplicate the layer first. I open Smart Sharpen and focus on product textures. I raise the amount slowly and watch details appear. I stop and breathe. Too much sharpness can destroy trust. I adjust radius to target fine edges only. I zoom in and inspect labels and materials. I reduce noise so the image stays smooth. I toggle preview and feel the upgrade. I zoom out and imagine this on a product page. The business product now feels high quality and reliable.